You want me to get out of this?
No worries. All right, so we're just hooking up Dispute Fox so that when there's a new lead in Dispute Fox, it also updates into the CRM. So just yeah, for the event on Zapier over here, type in new lead added.
Okay.
Wait a second. All right, let's continue. Choose an account. Yeah, try to do the most recent one, which will be just that. Press continue. That's trigger. All right, press continue with selected records. Awesome. Should work.
You said press what?
Continue with selected record.
Okay.
Boom. All right, press lead connector here. Or type in lead connector. Boom, boom, right there.
Okay.
All right, choose an event. Add update opportunity. Continue. Press reconnect. We gotta link it with the API. So once a pop-up should appear, I don't know if it'll appear there, asking for an API.
Right here. Okay.
All right, go back to the CRM. Funnel hack live. Yep. Click on settings and then click on profile once it pops up. What you call it? Yeah. Click on, scroll down a little bit. There should be an API key here. You can just click on that. Oh, scroll up a little more. Right here. Click on the little
Generate.
board. Click on the clipboard. Yeah. Did it allow you to copy it?
Uh,
Did it allow you to copy when you click the thing?
I'm pressing it, but it's not saying copy. Let me see. Did it come on?
Try it. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Oh,
Nah.
there. No, it didn't.
Generate key.
Yeah, try pressing generate key. Yeah.
Okay.
All right, press copy here.
Got it right
Beautiful.
there.
And then new tab that popped up, just paste it into there. I mean, no, when you go to Zapier over here, go to
Oh, oh,
and press
uh,
reconnect to here, and a
right
pop
here,
should appear asking you to put that API in.
right there, right?
I can't see it.
Oh, okay. This is it right here.
Yeah. Hmm.
There was a problem with this authorization. Reconnect here.
Yeah.
Paste.
And I would change out the name real quick.
Change the name right here.
Is this the one that you just put in, right?
Yeah, it says using 3 zaps though, so
Yeah, press that should
the
work. Press edit connection name, call it like CRM.
new. Oh,
Yeah, new.
CRM.
Just so that you know.
Yeah.
Cool. All right,
So
press
it's connected or
yeah, it should be press
it
continue.
says continue right here.
Yep. All right.
Action,
Press like full name here.
full name.
Yeah, click it. Actually, no, my bad. Do one at a time. Do first name over here, then last name. Click first name and click off of it, kind of off to the side a little bit. Last name, and then do the email, the phone number. Mark as lead. True. Select pipeline. credit pair leads with appointments. Select stage. New leads. Or maybe those would be hot leads. Oh, however you want to do it.
Let's see.
I'm saying the stage might be hot leads.
Oh, well, don't say hot lead. So,
Well, click off of the pipeline.
oh,
I'm in the stage here.
my bad. I'm sorry. All right, you did say that.
So you got new leads and you got actually leave it as new leads. That'll be fine for now.
All right.
All right, scroll down a bit. I think that's about it. Press continue here. Press test step. All right, press publish. Cool. And then if you go back to the CRM, you should be able to, I forgot, it might send it in that test lead through. I don't remember. Gonna go back here. Press on contacts. Or press back over here. Cool. I'm pretty sure that was that was it. TYGG. I remember that.
Okay, so I'm gonna make something funny to you. I wanted to know if once the leads go in here, I wanted them to go to dispute files.
All right, so now go to Zapier.
Okay.
So let's rename this one here. Dispute Fox to CRM. And we're just gonna do the same thing but opposite now.
I got you. Wow. That's good because
All right.
everybody in this actually see this again. Awesome. Okay.
All right, now click on Zapier over here.
Okay. I need to delete some of these zaps off here though. Okay.
All right, click on create another one.
Okay, create. This time we're gonna start with lead connector, right?
Yep. Is there? All right, trigger.
Trigger. Go to lead connector.
Connector. Mm-hmm.
Okay. And we're gonna go to choose an event.
Mm-hmm. Pipeline stage
Pipe.
change. Yep. Continue.
Continue.
That's the one. Continue. In pipeline. Cover leads and appointments. Yep. And let's also do this one, new leads. No, click off of that. That was just the pipeline. So the pipeline, which is the actual entire
Good.
system, and then the individual stages, which is the new leads one. So
No leads. Okay. All right.
continue. Add this test out.
Trigger.
This test. And then what you could also do as we'll continue, what you also do is that right now we're adding new leads to Dispute Fox when they're a new lead. But what you could also do is that when you convert into a client on Go High Level, I mean on the CRM, you can also have it add to the Dispute Fox as well too. So new lead synced and also new customer synced. So press continue. On Dispute Fox. And press event. Add new lead. Press continue. Choose an account. Number 2, do the most recent one. Boom, that should be good. All right, press continue. Oh, same thing. Name,
Okay.
last name, email, phone numbers, the most important ones you need.
So I put first name test.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Test.
Last name, which is also the test one again. There you go.
Email
Email, phone
address.
number. Email's like on the top somewhere. There you go.
So tab, okay, so
All right, scroll down a little bit.
should I put pipeline stage change or
Yeah,
should I be
scroll down a little bit more though first. Oh, don't worry about that. Just click off of that.
okay?
Scroll down. Keep it going. Keep it going. All right, press continue. We got so far name, email, and phone number on there, which is the most important. Press test step. Email address already available. Oh, okay, so that's it. It's skip test. It's just saying that in Dispute Fox, you're not allowed to have two of the same emails. So it's just really just testing it with the same lead. So it's all right. It's set. Press publish. And this one, let's rename this one to CRM to Dispute Fox. And then let's do one more from CRM to new client. And you might want to put like in parentheses, like new leads after that. So you can differentiate the new leads from the paying clients on here.
Okay. Okay.
Cool, we're getting there. All right. Now let's hit
Yeah.
back. I'll tap here. Now I get the last one over here. All right. Press. Actually, wait. Whatchamacallit? It is Dispute Fox or CRM. We're gonna click on this really quick.
Which one? This one?
Yes. I pressed the wrong button. Press back again. I think you press this little thing right here.
Put that out.
Okay, duplicate. Here you go. Click on it again. All right, let's rename this. Remove the copy and rename the new leads to clients.
Okay.
All right, beautiful. Click on this. Maybe double click on it or something. There you go. Press continue. Continue again. All right, trigger instead of new leads, this would be paying clients. So scroll down, stage, scroll to the bottom. Signed up. Cool. Press continue. Continue. All right, instead of this one, add new lead, make this like add client. Add new client. Here you go. Just continue. Continue. I gotta fill it
Same
out.
thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Name,
Last
last
name.
name, email. Boom, boom, boom.
This time I think I can go ahead and add credit monitoring and all that stuff.
Mhm.
Social Security.
I'm typing social here. I'm pretty sure I have it as a custom field here. Are you typing social security?
Yeah, it didn't Social Security. Nope.
Or maybe not. We could add it really quick. So click
Okay.
on X here.
Hit the X.
Yeah, the X. Let's go over to Funnel Hacker Lab over here.
Where you at?
The new tab, well, not new tab, the old tab here.
Right here.
Mhm.
Okay.
Let's go over to settings. Let's go to custom fields. Let's type in add. Let's click on social security number. So let's do whatchamacallit, a number here. Next. Press type in social security there. Hmm. Press the group here. Let's do maybe general info. That's fine. All right,
Okay.
press save. Beautiful. Now let's go back to the Zapier. So what that did is just add a custom field so that people can input the social security and you can save it per contact. So now we got to make sure social security comes in here. So what I'm thinking we should do is take this and just refresh this page so it can populate. Oh, all right, scroll down. Oh, social security right there. Type it in right here. Social.
Oh wait, you know what?
And the money sign, number sign.
I hit last four.
Yeah, scroll down a little bit. Where is it? Oh, right there. There's a number for.
Oh,
So I'll pop up.
yeah. And look, it's right here.
Oh, it already had one. Okay, well, pick whatever one you want.
That's crazy. All right, cool.
Lovely.
All right. Hey, at least we learn how to do to add something that we need to though.
Exactly. All right. I might already have a date of birth one there. Press type in DOB or birth. Date of birth right there. Boom. Address. Type in address here. Customer address. Both the same thing. All right, cool. Scroll down. Yeah, click off the current city, zip code.
Should I do it that way?
If you want to, whatever you want to do.
Full address is everything, right?
But for it to full address is a street address. You're gonna have to put the city in as well too if you want that. The full address is gonna give you like 125 Chestnut Street, whatever it is.
So this was customer city,
Hmm?
customer state, zip.
You don't need
That's
the
it.
previous stuff. No, you're good there.
That should be everything.
Shit's good. It's good.
Portal access. That should be it. Oh, here we go. Monitoring.
When you're looking for that, their login.
Yeah, the company that they're using. Use it. I mean, right here, monitoring agency.
Monitoring agency, you probably gonna have to write like credit smart. What credit monitoring are you using?
Huh?
What credit monitoring service are you using?
Identity IQ.
Yeah, so there you type in Identity IQ. All right, press X, and over here, I'm pretty sure I have one for usernames. Type in username here. I mean, in here in the search.
Oh, what did I just do? I don't know.
There you go. And you know what to do for password. There you go. All right, cool. And then secret key, which is pretty much kind of like this the social security number, but we have one specific for secret key. So press this. and search it up.
Secret key.
Yeah. I'll remove the first S there.
Uh, that stuff.
Secret. Scroll down a little bit. Oh, wow. Type in SSN. Scroll down a little bit. Secret word, maybe.
There it is. Okay.
All right.
That works.
Press continue. Sweet. Test that. It's probably not gonna test right because, like I said, there's a duplicate of that. But as long as that just kind of just goes through, perfect. You're good. Skip
Yep.
test. Yeah, as long as you're getting no other errors, it's good. Press publish. Sweet. And that is how you set it up so that it syncs with your CRM to DisputeFox for new leads and for active clients. Sweet.
Well, that's it, bro. I appreciate it, man.
Of course, my man. Let me know if you need anything else. Always happy to help and make you more money.